Everybody, and till now I have a channel. I have just I have made the videos in Turkish, and right now I get start to make the videos in English also, because I get some experience and I feel myself better to explain something in English. And because of that, I'm right now ready. First of all, we will get start to solve the LeetCode problem 819. It is easy question. It has been classified as easy, and what I have how did I solve that problem? I try to explain my solution. Yeah, first of all, if you just focus on the question is that we have given a paragraph with the commas and with some functions like here, and we have and beside that we have another list, banned lists, and uh, our actually what they want from us is that we need to just find the most common word. This most common word should not be in banned list. That's the most important. That's the question actually. Yeah, how did I solve that problem? First of all, if you read the question, there is something we need to just be careful there. For instance, we need to just return that word in lowercase, and the paragraph can contain the upper and the lowercase. Because of that, I have made some normalization at this point, and I have just changed the whole paragraph as I have changed it to, or how to explain it. I have converted the whole paragraph uppercase. Sorry, the lowercase, by using the Python's built-in function lower. And after that, I have just get these functions, because if you look the question, you can see that the paragraph only consists of the letters, spaces, or the function symbols like this. And I have defined that also. And after that, non-function paragraph, because my aim is that if you look at the paragraph, we have the one ball here, one ball here. If I use the Python split functions by using the space character here, actually, we will split this paragraph space by space. For instance, Bob space hits. And if you look, these the two balls after the normalization is ball comma ball. Actually, it is the same, but the most here we have the ball with comma. Here we don't any comma. Normally it's the same, but because of the comma, our program cannot understand that. And first of all, we need to just make this comma. We need to replace this comma with the space. This is my solution. Actually, you can maybe make something different, but yeah. First of all, I have just lowered the whole sentence, and after that, I have defined the functions, which functions I should be careful, and after that, non-function paragraphs, I have defined the variables, and after that, most common as a none, and maximum value. Why I have done that, you can see at this part. And actually, I have defined my dictionaries. It's the empty dictionary, because I will use the hash method here. I will check first of all. I will make actually this part. I clear the functions. If I see the functions, and I replace these functions with the space character, and after that, I split this paragraph with the Python's built-in function split. If item not in my dictionary, it's mean that we will use actually here the dictionary, actually hashing. I check that whether this for instance this word in the dictionary. If it is in the dictionary, then I increase the number of that dictionary, or the k, or the values of that word in the dictionary. If it's not, I just put this value inside the dictionary, and I obtain one value for that word. And at the end of that, we will get a dictionary like that. And as you know that we have the one stuff is that the banned words. and it should not be banned, and the most common word, but should not be in the banned list. And because of that, I iterate this dictionary one more time. And as you know, we can iterate the dictionary like that. My dictionary points items, k and the values. And what I have done here, actually, as I said, um, I have maximum value and most common. I have defined these variables, and I have attained 0 and none. I check first of all if the values is at this point 2. Yeah, and actually I check that if this value bigger than max value. My current max value is 0. If it is big, and I have the other conditions also. k k mean ball should not be in a banned list, and k should not be space character. Why? Because at the I have changed the functions with the space. Sometimes can occur two space, and the program will count this space as a character. To prevent that, we need to just check that if it is space or not, because space is not word, but our program will count this space also, and I need to be careful for the space. Because of that, as a condition, I have just typed that also. And after that, I check that maximum value. If the max value bigger than value, I reattain the values and the case, and at the end of the loop, I get the most common word. If we just run this code, you can see it's okay right now. If we submit that, I have submitted in Turkish, but I explain right now in English. Yeah, it seems okay, faster than 66%, less than 85%. So I think it seems okay. If you don't understand, if you need something, you can just comment. I hope that you will like it.